In this problem, we have been given that there is an object and that object is having a mass of 1.78 kilograms. So this object is kept on a horizontal tabletop, and initially it takes 2.3 newtons of the force to be applied so that the block could actually start and come into motion. So we need to determine here the coefficient of static friction in the first case and the coefficient of the kinetic friction in the second case, where it is observed that 1.48 newtons of force is needed to be applied so that the block moves with the constant velocity. So in the first case, we observe that the force which is applied is of magnitude 2.3 newtons, and this is just sufficient enough to overcome the static friction, which will be mu times the normal force. And here mu will be the coefficient.